Assalamu alaikum everyone. In this video today we will be learning how to upload a comprehension activity onto your LMS account. As you can see on my screen, here is a Word file in which the activity uh, comprehension activity is present. The description is shown and the questions are mentioned below it. So I have to upload it onto my LMS account. For this purpose, I am logging in to the account and I'm going to open the course in which I want this activity to be uploaded in. But first, I am going to turn the editing on, move on to the topic where this activity needs to be uploaded. I want this to be uploaded in the essay class topic. So I am going to just click on this add an activity or resource and then click on quiz, click on add, just name it as reading. Comprehension and save changes. Since I haven't added any question or any description yet, so the quiz is totally empty. Let's edit it. Now, first, I'm going to add the description. For this purpose, among all of these options, I'm going to choose the description and edit. This is the description I want to copy and paste in the question text bar. Name it as article, description, whatever you want to name it. As you can see, I have already copied and pasted the description text, but here multiple other options are available as well. The option of inserting an image, you can upload any image, and if you want the student to answer the questions from that particular image, you can just upload it and ask them to answer the question from that. Beside this, there is also an option of uploading a video file or an audio file from which the student can view it or hear it, and then they can answer the questions. Other two options available are recording a video or recording an audio and recording a video. You can record a video, an audio of yours or a video of yours, and then ask the student what have they heard in the video, what have they heard in the audio, or what have they viewed in the video, and then further they can answer the questions after viewing them. In case of Word file, you can just copy and paste the text as I have done over here. But in case you have a PDF file, so it won't be possible for you to copy paste it. So you can just use the snipping tool to screenshot that particular passage and then paste it as an image over here. Let's save changes to it. Okay. Our description has already been uploaded. Now it's time to add the questions. Click on add a new question. Here you have multiple options available. For example, a multiple choice question can be added. You can add the question in the form of true and false. Questions can be added in as matching question answers as well. You can write a question and ask your students to write a short answer of it. And numerical based questions can be added, or you can ask your students to write an essay on a particular thing. So, and there are many other options as well. For the first question, I'm choosing this multiple choice question. So let's add it. Name it as question number 1. Question 1. Okay. You can copy paste the text from the Word file. Okay. And write, copy paste the options as well. It's up to you. Since this one is the correct answer, I'm going to assign 100% to it. The second one is skip. That's wrong. The third one is wrong too. Okay. Let's save the changes. Add another question. This time I'm going to upload a true and false question. Let us copy paste it as well. Question 2. Paste the text over here. Since this is a true statement, let's set the correct answer as true. Save changes. Add a new question. This time I'm going to choose a short question answer. C, Control B. Okay. The question is 3. Okay. Here it's up to you. You can provide one correct answer. You can provide more than one correct answer. I am going to provide two correct answers and and assign 100% to both of them. So if the student answer any one of them, he'll he'll get the marks. Let's save this one as well. Okay, 3 questions have already been uploaded. Let's add another one and the last one. Now I'm going to choose an essay one. Okay, just click on essay. Okay, this one is question. You may write anything over there in the question name bar. Okay, write an essay on your pet. Let's save the changes. Okay, as you can see, the description of my comprehension activity and the questions, all of them have been uploaded. Since you can see, there were only 4 questions, so it was easier for me to copy and paste each and every one of them. But if you have questions in bulk, means you have 10 plus questions, 20 plus questions, so I think it wouldn't be possible for you to copy and paste each and every question. So there's a different procedure for it, that is uploading a quiz directly, uploading bulk questions directly from a Word file, on which I have made another video, the link of which will be displayed at the end of this video, so you can access it from there. Now just save the changes. Okay, let's preview it. Okay, you can preview the quiz just to have a knowledge that how will it appear on the screen of your students. Okay, so this is how the quiz will appear on the student's screen. This will be the passage, and the questions will be displayed like this. All of the questions. The first one, that was an MCQs based question, and the second one was a true and false. Third one was a short question, and the last one was an essay. So I hope that the video was clear to each and every one of you, and I hope after watching this video your queries will be solved, and you will be easily able to upload this activity on your own. Thank you.